Let's learn how to make a veg Manchurian at home. It's a restaurant style. For this, we are doing a two steps. Step 1 is the making Manchurian balls. For this, we need the veggies. In the veggies, we need handful of carrots, half cabbage, few green chilies, 3 garlic cloves, and 10 gram of ginger. Grate all the veggies together in a food processor. It looks like this. Transfer the veggies to the mixing bowl. Then add salt to taste. Add chili powder. This is optional for medium spicy Manchurian. Add 3 teaspoons of corn flour. First I am adding 2 teaspoons. Mix well. Then I will add the third teaspoon of corn flour. Mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce to give the taste of the soya in the Manchurian balls. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. Mix well. Now take a pan, add the oil into the pan to fry the Manchurian balls. Ensure that the heat should be on medium. Now roll the balls on your hand and add to the heated oil. This is how you can roll the Manchurian balls on your hand and add to the oil. Always fry the Manchurian balls on the medium heat flame so that the ball should cook from inside as well. If you put in a very hot oil, the balls will be more darker in color from the outside, but it will be undercooked from the inside. So you need to ensure that you are frying on the medium heat so that the ball should be cooked well from the inside as well the outside. Fry all the Manchurian balls and keep on the side. Now step 2 is to making a gravy for the Manchurian. For that we are taking a pan, heat some oil in the pan, add 3 to 4 chopped garlic cloves, then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Saute them for a minute. Then add spring onions and the green chilies. The green chilies I am using is not very hot, so be ensure you are only adding the chilies according to their hotness. Then add green bell peppers, saute them. Then we are going to add the sauces. I am adding a ketchup, soya sauce, Thai sauce, and the sriracha sauce, the hot sauce. For the Manchurian gravy, the ketchup and the soya sauce is the main, and Thai sauce is to add a little bit of sweetness, and the sriracha is for the hot sauce. Saute the veggies with the sauces. Then add 2 cups of water for the gravy. Add salt to taste. Then add fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Now we need 2 teaspoons of corn flour. This will help to thick the gravy. Add some water, mix it well. Now we will add this mixture to the gravy. Make the flame to the high so that it starts boiling fast and the gravy thickens. It will take 4 to 5 minutes to cook this gravy. This is how the final gravy look like. Then add the Manchurian balls what we made in step 1. Cook for another minute. Then our Manchurian is ready, which is very good in taste, better than the restaurants. Try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment sections how you like this recipe. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like this video. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please do so and click the bell icon to get the updates on my videos.